We have Gail Haskins and Dan Gould here in the West Houston Squadron. Tell us about this beautiful aircraft and your friend here.
Well, our friend here is the co-pilot. We taught him how to fly yesterday. He was doing pretty good. And the airplane that we're looking at right here, the ones we flew over, is a Navy N3N. It was a primary trainer for young cadets and then Navy cadets that just coming in. And built in 1942. They designed it in 1930. The first ones came out in 34. And they kept it in service until 1961. And it has what we call a round motor on it, which is a 300 horsepower Lycoming. And it cruises about 105 miles per hour, burns about 15 gallons of gas. And we have a good time flying it. It's open cockpit. Whenever we go up, we come back down and count the number of bugs on our teeth. We have numerous bugs, and then we had a good time. Other than that, Dan, you got anything to say about that?
Yeah, well, I help him collect. I ward the bugs off because I'm in the front seat. I get most of the bugs. Yeah, we had a great time flying it, and it's a little bumpy today, but that just makes it more challenging and a lot easier to fly when you got the tailwind.
Well, we can't thank you enough for being here at Energize Houston and bringing this beautiful craft.
Well, we're happy to be here.
Thank you.
Enjoy the wind.
Great.
Down here, I was going to see the wind. Still waiting. It just moves around. The kids love it.
We are in an Airbus 300.
And what is its function?
It's cargo. It's a cargo plane, ships nothing but cargo freight. No passengers.
Where does this one go to?
Typically from Houston, our flights go back to our main hub in Memphis. We ship one to Memphis, we send one to Indy, and then we have another one that goes to Dallas-Fort Worth.
Very good.
Which is also the same place we get them back from.
I'm going to take a peek here.
Look at these. These move so they can roll things into it.
Yeah. I've been in